Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today we are going to be using Hostinger, a web hosting site for website building and domains. Today we are going to be learning how to create subdomains. First step that you're going to take is of course logging into your own account. And after we have done that, we will see this main screen with various tools that you are going to need on the left side of the screen. To start creating our subdomains, we're going to be clicking on Domain for a few drop-down options. Next thing we're going to do is click on Domain Portfolio. In there you can see all your active domains. For this one, we only have one active domain. In order to proceed, we head right to the Manage button for more options. Now from this screen, you will see various basic details and information about your domain. To keep us moving forward, we will need to click right onto the DNS and Name Servers button. Under Manage DNS Records, you can see all your active subdomains. To create a new one, we simply have to fill up all the dialog boxes right here under the Manage DNS Records option. Enter in the type of domain that you would use. You can look up what all of these mean, but in this case, we are going to use a type A or a C name as our subdomain type. Now, type A subdomains typically mean that you would basically map out your domain to an IPv4 address, usually 192.168.1.1. The domain name, we can leave it as @ the symbol. Then we're going to have points to your IP address, like so. Then your TTL, or time to live, is how much time will pass by before it will be active. The default is 14,400 or 4 whole hours in real time. And after all that, you click on Add Record. Then you can see here right below our new subdomain. Alternatively, you can also use a CNAME as your subdomain and use blog as your name this time, which points to your domain, like so. We can use our domain name for this one. Then click on Add Record button to finish, and that's it. That is it for this video, guys. I hope you learned what you need to know about subdomains in Hostinger. Thank you guys for watching.